Hello and welcome to Spirit Touched. Let's talk about progress. In some ways, this world has come a long way since Genesis 1:1. Some of it good and some bad. The question is, what kind of progress do we really need? Are technological advances always good? Do we need to make things better? Sometimes those advances do more harm than good unless they are accompanied by progress in equality, justice, and ethics. Sometimes those are the things that really need changing. Things don't always need to be faster or easier or bigger. Advising ideas, improving lives, striving for justice, treating everyone with dignity, liberty for all. That's real progress. Those are the things that matter. Bigger isn't always better. Sometimes less really is more. Does information really need to travel around the world in the blink of an eye? Do we really need to take a phone everywhere we go? Too many things use batteries with poisons which wear out and, when thrown away into landfills, are harmful to the environment. Some of those batteries are so small they have they each that very young children when very young children get a hold of them, they can become choking hazards. Some of them can even catch fire. Some things that require batteries do not come along with those batteries for the product, which means you also have to buy batteries before you can use it. Do we really need fake money, i.e., crypto coins? It takes up precious resources just to make them, thus further harming our fragile environment. When I call a business wanting to know something, I want to talk to a real person, not an artificial voice. How about you? The first job I had was answering the phone at the local Goodwill main office, tearing up beautiful land that grows good things and paving it over with concrete is not always progress. With more people, you need that farmland for food along with cleaner air and water. People want things to be perfect. That doesn't happen down here, only in heaven, because we are not. History is not perfect. However, we forget that our true story comes out in our imperfections. Sometimes the past informs the present. When it does, it helps keep us from making the same mistakes over and over. That's why we need to properly resolve problems before we can move on. History is not perfect because we're not. Know this, it's in the imperfections that the true stories emerge. Diversity is good for churches, neighborhoods, and nations. It keeps things interesting. In fact, it's what makes this nation so unique. It keeps us from becoming stagnant. Stagnation prevents progress. The best way to make progress is just one step at a time with God's help, and just keep pressing on. You may send your prayer requests to He Answers TWO, and let's press on together.